Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to export transparent video in CapCut in a simple and easy way. Now let's get started. Step 1, first open CapCut on your PC or laptop and click on Create Project. This step is important to begin editing properly. Step 2, click Import, browse through the video and select the video. Click Open to next import your video into the project and drag it onto the timeline. Select the video, then go to the Video Basics section on the right panel and click on Remove Background. Click Auto Removal. It takes time to finish this task. Wait and wait patiently. CapCut will automatically detect and remove the background to make it transparent. Step 3. If you want to add a new background, import an image or color and drag it below your main video layer in the timeline. Adjust the size and position as needed. This step is optional and only useful if you want to replace the transparent background. Step 4. Now click on the Export button in the top right corner of CapCut. Choose MOV as the export format because it supports transparency. This is the most important step to keep the background transparent. Step 5. Finally click on Export and wait for the process to finish. After exporting, test the video in another editor or player that supports transparency to confirm everything works correctly. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful CapCut tutorials.